my name is Natalia. I'm from Presidente Prudente, a city in the countryside of São Paulo. I am currently finishing my last year of high school and completing a technical course in logistics at Senai. Growing up in this context inspired me to explore both academic and personal opportunities that could expand my skills. During high school, I joined a theater group led by my arts teacher, where I performed in plays for large audience. This experience taught my confidence, creativity, and how to connect with people. At my crunch, I worked as technician assistant, giving talks and supporting classes. We've developed my leadership and communication skills. In addition, I studied the organ, a sacred instrument that requires focus, discipline, and coordination. Through this experience, I built important skills such as responsibility, teamwork, public speaking, and technical knowledge in logistics. Looking ahead, my goal is to pursue higher education abroad in order to strengthen my academic background, gain international experience, and build a career where I can combine knowledge with my impact. Thank you very much for your attention.